The visionary journey of Elon Musk, a life of ambition, innovation, and unyielding determination. Read, imagine, learn English through stories. Listen, read, and practice. Elon Musk, often hailed as one of the greatest innovators of our time, is a name synonymous with bold ideas and groundbreaking achievements. From humble beginnings in South Africa to becoming a multi-billionaire entrepreneur shaping the future of humanity, Musk's journey is a testament to his relentless ambition, unyielding determination, and visionary mindset. Early life and education, the spark of curiosity. Born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa, Elon Reeve Musk was the eldest of 3 children in a family that valued intellect and exploration. His father, Errol Musk, was an engineer, while his mother, May Musk, was a model and dietitian. From an early age, Elon exhibited an insatiable curiosity and a keen interest in technology. By the age of 10, he had developed a fascination with computers, teaching himself programming and creating a space-themed video game called Blaster, which he sold for $500, a glimpse of his entrepreneurial spirit. Elon's childhood, however, was far from idyllic. He faced bullying in school and endured a strained relationship with his father. These challenges, though painful, instilled in him a sense of resilience and a drive to carve out his own path. At 17, he left South Africa, seeking opportunities beyond its borders and avoiding mandatory military service under the apartheid regime. The road to entrepreneurship, from Zip2 to PayPal. After moving to Canada to attend Queen's University, Musk eventually transferred to the University of Pennsylvania, where he earned dual degrees in physics and economics. His education not only honed his analytical thinking but also fueled his vision of using technology to solve humanity's biggest challenges. In 1995, Musk moved to Silicon Valley with aspirations of making an impact in the burgeoning tech industry. Together with his brother, Kimball, he co-founded Zip2, a company that provided online business directories and maps for newspapers. Despite facing skepticism and countless rejections, Musk's persistence paid off when Compaq acquired Zip2 for $307 million in 1999, earning him $22 million from the sale. Rather than resting on his laurels, Musk invested his earnings into a new venture, X.com, an online payment platform. X.com later evolved into PayPal, revolutionizing online transactions. In 2002, eBay acquired PayPal for $1.5 billion, cementing Musk's reputation as a tech innovator and providing him with the capital to pursue even grander ambitions. SpaceX, reaching for the stars. While many would have been content with success in the tech industry, Musk's vision extended far beyond Earth. Driven by a belief that humanity must become a multiplanetary species to ensure its survival, he founded SpaceX, Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, in 2002. His goal was audacious: to reduce the cost of space travel and establish a human settlement on Mars. SpaceX faced immense challenges in its early years, including 3 consecutive rocket launch failures that nearly bankrupted the company. Musk poured his personal fortune into the venture, often working tirelessly to solve engineering problems himself. In 2008, SpaceX achieved its first successful launch with the Falcon 9 rocket, marking a turning point for the company. Shortly thereafter, NASA awarded SpaceX a $1.6 billion contract to transport cargo to the International Space Station, validating Musk's vision and securing the company's future. Over the years, SpaceX has achieved remarkable milestones, including the development of the reusable Falcon 9 rocket, the Falcon Heavy, the most powerful operational rocket in the world, and the Starship spacecraft, designed for interplanetary travel. With each success, Musk has brought humanity closer to the stars. Tesla, revolutionizing transportation and energy. While transforming the space industry, Musk also set his sights on solving another critical challenge: climate change. In 2004, he joined Tesla Motors, a fledgling electric vehicle (EV) company, as an investor and chairman, later becoming its CEO and product architect. Musk's vision for Tesla extended beyond producing cars. He aimed to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Under his leadership, Tesla overcame numerous obstacles, including production delays, financial crises, and skepticism from traditional automakers. The company's breakthrough came with the launch of the Tesla Model S in 2012, an all-electric luxury sedan that redefined public perceptions of EVs. Subsequent models, such as the Model 3, Model X, and Model Y, made electric vehicles more accessible, propelling Tesla to become the world's most valuable carmaker by market capitalization. Musk's commitment to sustainability extends to Tesla's energy division, which produces solar panels, energy storage solutions, and the Tesla Powerwall. By integrating renewable energy technologies, Musk envisions a future where humanity can thrive without depleting the planet's resources. Neuralink, the Boring Company, and beyond. Elon Musk's ventures are not limited to space exploration and sustainable energy. In 2016, he co-founded Neuralink, a neurotechnology company developing brain-machine interfaces to treat neurological conditions and potentially enhance human cognition. While still in its early stages, Neuralink represents Musk's belief in pushing the boundaries of human potential. The same year, Musk launched the Boring Company, aimed at reducing urban traffic congestion through underground tunnels. Projects like the Las Vegas Loop demonstrate his innovative approach to solving everyday problems. Challenges and criticism, the human side of a visionary. Despite his remarkable achievements, Musk is no stranger to controversy. His outspoken nature, ambitious timelines, and unconventional leadership style have drawn both admiration and criticism. Musk has often admitted that his perfectionism and work ethic can be demanding, both on himself and his employees. Yet, these traits are also what drive his relentless pursuit of excellence. Musk's ventures have not been without failures and setbacks, from Tesla's financial struggles to delays in SpaceX's projects. However, his ability to learn from these experiences and persevere reflects a core lesson of his life: failure is not the end, but a stepping stone to success. Legacy and inspiration. Elon Musk's journey is a story of audacity, innovation, and perseverance. Whether revolutionizing transportation, paving the way for space exploration, or addressing global energy challenges, Musk has consistently pushed the boundaries of what is possible. His life serves as an inspiration to dream big, embrace risks, and never give up in the face of adversity. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe our channel to learn about interesting personalities.